Next time you make breakfast, try this recipe I learned from a friend in Italy. To start today's recipe, in a baking pan greased with butter, I'm going to place 6 slices of sandwich bread. I'm sure you've never tried anything like this before. Now I'm going to pour 3 beaten eggs all over the top. This became one of my favorites. Using just a few everyday ingredients that almost anyone has at home, we can make a meal that tastes way better than the ones served in traditional restaurants. Let's season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to cut 1 onion in half. Then we're going to slice that half into long strips and also into small cubes. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching us from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Ethan Russo from Naples, Florida. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. To keep going, I'm going to add a little ketchup over the top. The amount is up to you. Let's spread it with the help of a spoon, just like I'm doing here. It's super easy, practical, and quick to make. Perfect for those days when you don't have much time to stay in the kitchen making complicated meals. I'm going to add the onion we chopped into the pan with the other ingredients. My family was amazed the first time they tried this. They have no idea how easy it is to make. Now I'm going to cut some cherry tomatoes. The amount is up to you. You can use as many as you like. This is exactly how it should look. I'm going to add the cherry tomatoes to the pan, right over the onion. I have no doubt this is going to become part of your routine, just like it became part of mine. Look how beautiful this is turning out. To make it even better, add a little chives, and also mozzarella. If you prefer, you can use other kinds of cheese too, like Parmesan and cheddar. I'm going to cover it and let it cook again for another 15 minutes, or just until the cheese melts. The smell is amazing, and the flavor is even better. If you don't believe what I'm telling you, make it at home and then come back and tell me what you thought. I'd be really happy to hear. It completely changed the way I take care of my meals and my family. This is the ultimate proof that you don't need to leave the house or spend a lot of money to enjoy a breakfast worthy of a 5-star restaurant. It was an Italian chef, one I'm sure you know, who revealed this incredible secret to me.